Hey everyone, today is March 4th, 2025. It is the 1 month anniversary from my shoulder surgery, my right rotator cuff surgery. So 4 weeks ago today, I was in the surgery center and the doctor repaired a complete tear, two other tears that were not a complete tear, partial tears, and the bicep. And how am I feeling? So right now I'm feeling really good. I had a doctor's appointment yesterday. I no longer have to wear the Abduction pillow, which is great. That thing was a pain in the butt to deal with. My arm was always poked way out. So now I can just wear the regular sling, and the only time I have to wear that is if I'm out of the house, and it's more of a reminder not to use this arm. And that's what the doctor said. He said, look, you really don't need the thing, but when you're out and about, if something happened kind of fast and you needed to react really quick, it would hurt. And I know it would hurt if I just kind of jerked my arm really fast. It would certainly shoot some pain through my shoulder. Physical therapy is going really well. Yesterday was probably, well, I'll call it the last day of the spa treatments, where it was just the physical therapist pulling my arm, bending it, and rotating it in different positions. Now I'm starting exercises now that I'm a month out. So I had to do some pulley work, and it's really pretty easy still, where I use my good arm, the one that wasn't operated on, and I pull down on a rope with a pulley, and it pulls my right arm up so I can straighten it up. It actually felt pretty good stretching it out. I did some other exercises where we're activating the muscles in my shoulder, where I push against a wall until I can feel that things tense up, and then I rotate sideways and do it. So really just several different ways around a wall or a pole just to activate the muscles throughout my shoulder. And I've got to tell you, that created some discomfort. It hurt. Last night I came home and put ice on it, and it's a little achy today. I go back to physical therapy again today. Now, don't get the wrong idea. This is not excruciating pain. I'm just aware that something's going on in there, and hopefully that's just a normal sign, or I'm sure it is. It's just healing, and as I regain strength. So for the next week or two, it'll be activating the muscles and continuing the stretching, which is good. And then beyond that, the exercises will become a little more intense, I imagine, and eventually I'll start adding weight in a few weeks. So all is well. Still really happy that I went through the surgery. I will check in again next week, which will ultimately be week 5. So for now, week 4 is a wrap, and really happy with the progress. Doctor's appointment went well. Physical therapy's going well. See you next time. Thanks.